Alright, beautiful morning here. Nice little Brazilian fern tree. Gonna grow 9 feet here in the next few months. Can't wait to see it. If you'd like to learn more about this plant, there's a link there. Alright, but today I'm gonna talk about excessive heat. It's been over 100, it was like 102 yesterday. Today it's gonna be about 105. And so what you wanna do if you have a exotic bamboo like this Dendrocalamus giganteus or dragon bamboo, I'll do a little update on it right now, in addition to spread awareness of what my strategy is to keep it happy. Is on a really hot day like this, luckily the humidity is going to be up there as well, so if it was really dry heat I'd probably give it more water, but all I did is I sprayed the leaves really well with plenty of water, especially the leaves, not just the soil. The main reason is because these leaves are really broad and they like to have a lot of humidity and moisture in them. So doing this and spraying them in the morning or in the afternoon will be beneficial. I may also spray this just really quickly in the afternoon, just a few gallons of water. And the reason why is in the heat, these beautiful leaves will fold right there in the midline there. They'll fold up kind of like a taco to kind of retain moisture here. Let's see if I can grab one and show you. So you can see the heat just dropped, kind of killed these off yesterday, I'd say, or maybe it would do it anyways, I'm not sure. But either way, in the heat they fold up like that and try to retain as much moisture as possible. So anyways, yeah, just spray these Dendrocalamus giganteus in Southern California, spray them with some water and it'll keep them happy. So let's see, what else can I say about this bamboo? It grows 100 feet in the right conditions. No way it'll grow 100 feet here. I don't know, 60, 50 feet, we'll see. I'm excited. But this bamboo tends to shoot, dragon bamboo, it tends to shoot the shoots in the wrong time of year. So it will abort them. You can see I pulled some off there and it died. And there's another one right there that has aborted. And I think it's because they tend to shoot these at the wrong time of year. We'll do it in the rainy season in December and the frost will kind of kill them back. But you can see now, I'll shoot another one. This guy's doing really well. So you can see the size of it. Ah, these are sharp. Ow, I didn't know that. So be careful. These guys are sharp. But it's a nice big sized shoot and it's beautiful. You can see the coloring. It's kind of like a grayish green. Almost looks like a dinosaur. So Dendrocalamus giganteus, really cool bamboo. Just make sure you give it plenty of water and excessive heat like this in Southern California. There you go. You can see a better shot of it. Beautiful bamboo. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Bamboo. And in case you're wondering, there's Edgar's baby. Seems to be doing all right. Okay, have a great day. Dude, it's creepy.